Hello and welcome to this introductory video on A-Level Mathematics at TBSHS. My name is Mr. Boxall, I'm the subject leader for Maths at the school, and I'm going to give you a brief insight into the course that we run, who we are and what we do in the Mathematics department. We teach the OCR MEI syllabus at the school. OCR run two A-Level Maths courses, their own OCR course and the MEI course which we follow. The official code for the course is H640, which you could use to find the specification should you wish to explore in more detail. The exam consists of 3 papers sat at the end of Year 13, 1 Pure and Mechanics paper, 1 Pure and Stats paper, and finally a Pure and Comprehension paper. The comprehension aspect is covered during Year 13. Here you can see a brief outline of the contents of the course. There's some considerable crossover between the mechanics we study and the A-Level Physics course, and between some of the statistics we teach and subjects such as biology, psychology, economics and geography. So an A-Level in Maths can support your learning elsewhere as well as being extremely useful and enjoyable in its own right. In order to be successful on the course, you need to have some good algebraic manipulation skills. You don't need to be the king of completing the square, but you do need confidence in rearranging equations and formulae, solving equations, substitution, simplifying and factorising. You need to understand the importance of good communication, showing full working and justifying your solutions, as well as writing conclusions where required. As far as study skills go, being organised and proactive are highly important. We find that students who are proactive and make good use of their textbook, the internet, their peers, as well as their teacher when they find difficulty, are the ones that get the best out of their time with us. On the left hand side of the screen you will see the Year 12 and Year 13 textbooks that we'll lend you. You don't have to buy these, so we do intend to lend them to you from the start of the year. You do, however, need a Casio FX991EX calculator. Your old GCSE calculator doesn't have the required functions and statistical tables that this one stores. You don't need to rush out and buy one now though. You can wait till September, where we should be able to offer you the chance to buy one at a discounted rate. There's no need to buy a graphics calculator. If you feel like you must, I'd recommend the Casio CG50, but it really is not a requirement for the course and they are quite expensive. This slide shows you a brief list of some of the career options that A-Level Mathematics can lead to. It's by no means definitive. As you can see, we have 9 lessons a fortnight for mathematics. You'll be allocated 2 mathematics teachers, one who will be your mechanics specialist and the other your statistics specialist. The pure maths content is shared between the 2 teachers. Each unit of work typically ends in a topic assessment, which alongside tests and internal exams are used to track your progress on the course. We're blessed to have the staff we do in the department, and you'll find them to be enthusiastic, approachable and committed to supporting you with your studies. We make good use of supporting resources, both for us as teachers and for you as students, with subscriptions to certain websites which we use to enhance our skills and to get the best out of our lessons. On the student side of things, we also use online learning platforms such as Dr. Frost Maths and My Maths. We run a maths clinic twice a week. This is a drop-in session where you can get help from a teacher if you need it. We often run a separate sixth form only clinic depending on attendance and staffing. We regularly enter the UK individual maths challenges in autumn, as well as the team challenge event, where 4 students from the sixth form compete against other schools in the local area up at Cambridge University, answering interesting mathematical problems in the style of the maths challenge. And we often place top of the Bishop Stortford schools. Historically, we've run a maths strip in the autumn term, but we are uncertain whether it will run this year due to the current situation. The final word should go to our students, some of which were kind enough to sum up their experience with us in the comments on the screen. And to finish up, you're going to see a brief comment from one of our ex-students who now works for the F1 Mercedes AMG team as a performance engineer. Just before I finish, I hope you'll strongly consider studying maths at the school, and if you have any questions, do please contact me, Mr. Boxall, via the school office.
Hi, my name is Kuba. I studied maths and further maths at Boys High. Since then I have gone on to study aeronautical engineering at Imperial, and now I'm a performance engineer at Mercedes AMG F1. I chose maths and further maths as I always enjoyed problem solving and wanted to further my ability to solve real life problems. I highly recommend both maths and further maths to anyone who is keen to solve problems and if their career in the future would involve maths, such as engineers. The teachers are very friendly and extremely helpful with lots of experience and a great ability to pass on their knowledge.